Ready to turn your LEGO designs into professional building instructions? In this video, you'll learn how to generate your first shareable and sellable PDF instructions, complete with polished visuals and the quality of official LEGO booklets. Let's make it happen! Welcome to the second lesson of Day 9 of the BRICKSBIZ training course. Today we're going to learn how to generate your first building instructions as a PDF file. As you'll see, this lesson is rather short, but the result at the end of this lesson will certainly be extremely satisfying for you, as it's the culmination of many hours of hands-on learning and work on 3D LEGO models. Indeed, here we are. You're about to generate your first building instructions in a format you can share or sell to your audience. Building instructions for a studio project can be exported as a PDF file or as a sequence of images. To export your building instructions, return to the Studio Page Design interface, then click on the Export button at the top right of the interface. Choose your options on this page. We'll come back to these options in detail in the video in a few minutes, then click on the blue Export button. Studio will then generate your building instructions. At the end of the export process, a dialog window will prompt you to open the directory in which the export result is stored. In this directory, you'll obtain a PDF file representing your building instructions generated in a format that can be shared with the whole world. Congratulations! Your first building instructions are now available. Before we let you put your own 3D models to the test, let's take a closer look at the export configuration panel. I'm doing just a quick break in the video to let you know that if you're enjoying this free training, you're going to absolutely love the full BRICKSBIZ training course. BRICKSBIZ full training course, this is more than 25 hours of online content, an exclusive membership to a private Discord community full of business experts, a lifetime access to monthly live sessions, and tons of templates, bonuses, marketing strategies, and automation scripts to turn your passion for LEGO bricks into a profitable business. It's completely risk-free to try. You have 14 days to explore the program, and if you're not satisfied, you'll get a 100% reimbursement. No questions asked, though I'm pretty sure you won't need it. So if you are looking for more information, just follow the link that appears underneath this video. I let you get back to the content of this free BRICKSBIZ training course video. Closer look at the export configuration panel. In this export panel, you can configure all the following elements. First of all, you can select the pages to be exported. By default, Studio is configured to export all pages. If you only wish to export a single page, choose the second option and, for example, type 3 in the text box to export only page number 3 from your booklet. If you wish to export a particular series of pages, you can write the start and end pages separated by a hyphen. For instance, type 3-6 to export only pages 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you wish to export a mix of pages within the document, then separate the individual page numbers with commas. For example, type 1,3-4 to export only pages 1, 3, and 4. The export configuration panel also lets you choose your export format. By default, your building instructions are exported in PDF format, but you can also export your building instructions as a sequence of images. In this case, Studio will use the PNG format, which is a compressed image format that allows you to manage transparent areas in images. Studio also lets you define the size of your content in the size field. The larger the size, the more detailed the image is generated. My personal recommendation is to use the 2x size, which offers very good image quality for your building instructions, while keeping the file size reasonable. Finally, to generate PDF files, you can select the name of the file to be generated and its storage directory. For PNG file generation, you can choose the directory in which your images will be generated. In this second case, you cannot choose a name for your images. They will bear the name of the Studio file followed by the page number. Now, let's perform our first practical exercise. We're going to generate a PDF file of building instructions for the duck and LEGO logo models from the previous lesson. Reopen the two files from the previous lesson in Studio and export each of the building instructions from the export interface. For example, you can export the LEGO duck as a sequence of images and export the LEGO logo as a PDF file. I invite you to test building the LEGO logo on the basis of the building instructions you've generated. No problem if you don't have the bricks in the real colors. The idea is just for you to enjoy the moment and happily follow your first real building instructions. You can pause this video. I'll see you in a few minutes. As you can imagine, the second practical exercise is to export the building instructions for your own Lego mocks. In Studio, open the 3D model of the Lego mocks you selected in week 1 and export the building instructions in PDF format. Enjoy this delicate moment. Spend a few minutes appreciating the pleasure of having in front of you your very first building instructions for your own Lego creations, even if they're not yet completely finished. This being the last lesson of the day, if you have a little time left over, I encourage you to test your own building instructions with real Lego bricks. By doing so, you'll also be able to identify any mistakes you may have made in your model building sequence. In any case, enjoy this great step in your BRICKSBIZ adventure and share your feelings with other community members using the link to the discussion forum just below this video. Before continuing your BRICKSBIZ training, please make sure you've generated PDF building instructions for the Lego duck and logo models, as well as for your own mocks. I'll see you in the next video, in which you'll learn a lot of techniques to take your building instructions to a professional level. This will enable you to maximize positive feedback from your future customers and maximize your sales. See you in the next video. This video was taken from the BRICKSBIZ training course. If you'd like to discover the full richness of this training course and learn how to create and develop a business around your Lego, you can follow the link that appears just below this video. You'll be able to join a community of experts and generate your first dollars in less than 4 weeks. As for me, I'll see you in a new free video on the BRICKSBIZ YouTube channel. You can watch the video by clicking on the link on the screen.